The most important thing about Phatak repertory, when I talk to you about Phatak repertory, of course, is also the fact that it is very important for a particular sphere of action. So there are very peculiar sphere of action. Like, let me give you this example. Bile ducts. So when bile ducts are typically affected, there are this group of remedies, Merck Dulcis being one of them. And there are some very rare rubrics. For example, many years back, I had a case, used to get a lot of backache, very lot of backache. And when I studied the case, of course, in so much more detail, and I realized that he was in a very bad shape, this patient with backache. Let me show you how to find it also. And whenever he would do exercise, he would get this pain. And whenever he would do this kind of sitting, standing. So I saw this rubric, back wrestling aggravates, because this is what the wrestlers do. They squat, they go down, they go up. And I gave him Symphyta, wrestler's backache. So these kind of very strange rubrics are given in Phatak. And from Phatak, of course, now they are added in many new repertories. But if you know Phatak purely well, you'll be able to solve a lot of cases.